Hey guys, Mayman90 here, and it is 4 days till Christmas Day. So pretty much my roommates and I decided to do our Christmas party a little bit early. And what my friend had got me was two little figural magnets. One is SpongeBob, and as you can see on the back here, these are the little choices. And I got a Disney Stitch one. So pretty much on this back here, I could either get Squidward or Doodle Bob, the Krusty Krab sign, or Patrick, or this exclusive one, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So let's see what I got. Is my knife back here? Nope, but they're on my let me cheat this a little bit. I'm having a little hard time here. There. And I've got paper. I must have pulled the wrong thing out. My bad. I got Sandy! So I did get the exclusive one. I'm happy. And now for Stitch. I either get Stitch with boba, Stitch with sushi, Stitch with ramen, Stitch with taiyaki, I believe, or the exclusive one, which I'm not sure what it is. So let's see what we got here. Let's see, and I've got Stitch with boba. It's a little Stitch. I'm drinking boba tea. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to stick these on my refrigerator. So, bye, and Merry Christmas.